It's located right off of exit 11 off of Highway 24. If you're in the market to buy a home and you're ready to get started, make sure you book an appointment with me for your free consultation so we can find out exactly what we need to do to get you in your next home. Now let's go in here and check this home out. I'm anxious to see what they have to offer. It might be something that you're interested in. Let's go check it out. All right, y'all, so thanks for coming with me on this tour. Hey, what do you think about this home? If this is something that you're interested in, or any other home here in Clarksville, book a session with me now so that I can get you on track to find out what you actually need to do to get into your next home. So I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.